Hello friends, we're cooking today. اليوم نطبخ. Don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends. Like the video. You mix all the ingredients together. 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1 egg. You mix these together. Put some salt, pepper, cumin to taste. Add 2.5 cups of water. Use the same cup, of course. You can add half a cup, not half a cup, a quarter cup of oil, but that's not necessary. I don't add that because I don't want to gain weight. Put some oil in your oven baking dish. Pour the ingredients in there and cook it at 450 Fahrenheit. Bon appétit! Enjoy! Continue studying, subscribe, check out the next video, share with all your friends. See you soon, friends!